Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester. In today's video, we're doing an extensive overview on the price of XRP and what it means for this asset and what is up and coming in the future. Now, XRP currently priced at $2.22. In the last month, it is down 5%. In the last week, it's down 12% with a heavy dip here in the last basically few hours or so. And in the last few hours or so, 24 hours to be exact, pretty much break even sort of level, 0.25%. So nothing really to report on there. But one of the biggest things that I did see regarding XRP is essentially what is about to happen. Now, there is a lot of ETFs that are about to be launched by a lot of different firms here. And you can see here, XRP is heading into its biggest ETF week yet. Here is exactly why it matters, right? So you can see that we've got really big people like Franklin Templeton, a $1.5 trillion asset manager is about to launch XRP ETF, which is an XRP ETF. And then you've got CoinShares, Grayscale, Wisdom Tree. They're all launching ETFs, basically meaning that 7 new XRP ETFs are going to be going live here, will be live by November the 26th. But that basically gives XRP a lot of room for growth here, and the analysts are expecting $150 million to $200 million in daily volume. Okay, so that's a very big thing to be looking out for here for XRP, considering it's priced at literally $2.23 right now. And we have seen it most recently smash through highs here and sat at roughly like $3.40. So there's a lot of stuff going on with this asset, which could mean a massive price surge for XRP just in general, which is, again, very bullish indeed. Let's go over to the chart and let's see what's essentially happening and what we can sort of expect for this asset moving forward. But just quickly before we do that, guys, I do want to talk to you quickly about Best Wallet. That is today's sponsor of the video, Best Crypto and Bitcoin Wallet. They are literally the best and cheapest non-custodial wallet, just like MetaMask and Phantom, but they are the best one. Okay, they're cheaper, they're better, they offer more chains, more ways to trade, swap, scale, everything like that. So if you guys do want to go download that, all links are in the description. And also, guys, they're actually in a pre-sale phase as well. They're running a pre-sale for their ecosystem for the coin that's going to be supported, and they've raised $17 million in the meantime. Okay, so if you guys do want to get involved with that, all the links in the description, go check that out. Now, XRP from a TA perspective is in quite an interesting stance right now. It's actually pumping as I'm talking, which is super interesting here. You can see literally banging it right now, bullish engulfing, very nice to see. And just in general here, the chart here on the weekly isn't that great. Okay, it's not looking that hot, just because you can see we have seen a bit of rejection here from just the all-time highs, and of course the rest of the market is basically dipping right now, which isn't great, but it's absolutely it's a fine position to be in right now. Now, if we are going to be doing the sort of the chart patterns that we're looking out for here, we do have what is commonly known as a rising wedge. Rising wedges tend to usually break to the downside here, so the downside move for this asset would essentially be, I mean, it's horrific. It's a 40% downside move, with the measure move looking something along the lines of this, which in my opinion, I think there's a lot more room in the tank for growth for XRP, considering these ETFs are going to be launching as well in the next sort of week or so. Then it does open the doors to a lot more institutional capital coming in and buying up XRP. And yeah, we could potentially see this thing really do some crazy numbers here in the next few weeks or so. So very exciting stuff. Let me know what you think of that in the comment section, guys. I want to know your opinion and whether you think that XRP is going to go and it is going to basically return back to highs, and when do you think that's going to happen? That is going to be it from me. All the links in the description for Best Wallet. Go check it out, guys. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next video.